The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Polk County in northwestern Minnesota, northwestern Mahnomen County in northwestern Minnesota, until 6 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Winger, or 42 miles south of Thief River Falls, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Winger. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.